Okay, let's start. Okay, so eventually you have to do it in your PC. Okay, open Android Studio and eventually open AnyDesk. So today no complication. So we are going to a simple coding. Okay, not too
Yeah.
complicated. Don't worry. Okay, so but it will be more interesting. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
so this is your ID, right? Just give me a minute. Yeah, I think it is connected. Okay, eventually open your Android Studio. So please check my Android Studio and you have to do it in your Android Studio. Okay.
Yeah.
So let me complete the I mean mobile configuration. It is let's check whether it is completed or not. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Can you please connect your mobile through USB cable?
Yeah.
You can close this.
Yeah.
Close this. That's fine. You can close that. Open Android Studio. Uh, Again the three.
Rainbow.
Okay, no worries. Just give me a minute. We have to close. Yeah, you better close everything. Any one is fine. Any one is fine. No, you're not supposed to close like that. Just give me a minute. Let me show you. So, if for an example, initially you have to break the Gradle. Yeah. Okay, I'm breaking the Gradle. It will take some time.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, stopping Gradle. Okay.
Yeah.
No worries. Just give me a minute. Open this rainbow. Select this rainbow thing. Okay. Okay, it is completed. So this thing is completed. Let's minimize this thing. And we have to close this thing. Okay. It is stopping. We have to wait. So eventually, we'll process today's task. Okay. Just give me a minute. Let me show you.
Yeah.
We'll have a plan first. Okay. Mm, okay. This now we'll take a new notes. First thing is we are going to design an XML. Okay. So we
Yeah.
have to, no. First thing is we have to create a project. Project name is Vedika. Okay. And we have to create an XML design. So for an example, inside the XML design, what we have to do is we have to change the background. We have to mention a text view. Okay, stating anything is fine. Any questions? Okay, clear.
Yeah.
And we have to create a button. So button will be the answer. I mean, if I select this button, it has to show the answer. Okay. So for showing the answer, we have to use. Okay, no worries. We'll delete this. Okay, that's it. So
Yeah.
question will be there, and if I select the button, it will show the answer. Okay, very simple task. It's not a
Yeah.
rocket science at all. Okay, let me show you. Inside the Java, we have to mention the text view. We have to name the text view. We have to name the text view, and we have to mention the ID. It is complicated for you. Don't worry. It is so easy. Okay, and we have to name
Yeah.
the button and ID the button and set on click listener. Inside that toast. So you don't know what this is, right? Okay,
Yeah.
but you know somewhat of this. You know how to change the background, but not exactly. Today we have to we will do step by step. Okay, no worries. We'll do step by step. Got it? So today we have to complete this
Yeah.
project Vedika task. First activity, a simple
Yeah.
activity. It's not a rocket science. Only 3 to 4 lines of coding. That's it. So you will get an output. Let me show you that. Okay.
Yeah.
I think any discuss disconnected. Okay, just give me a minute. Let me minimize this. Still, it is stopping. It seems it's because it is crashed. So we have to close this. Terminate. Don't remind me again. Select this. Oops. Background. You can select this background thing. So it won't disturb us. Okay. Select the second rainbow. But AVD is working. Anyways, we have to check, right? At last, we can check if it is okay for you. At last, we can check the mobile configuration is connected or not. Okay, whether it is
Yeah.
configured or not. Okay, it's because it takes 5 minutes. Yeah. So, but the coding you have to understand the coding, right?
Yeah.
So, see my screen. Okay, it's very simple.
Okay.
What you mention it in diary or in your notes. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
It's very simple. I'm going to create a new project. Okay,
Yeah.
clear. New project.
Yeah.
And I'm going to name it as Vedika. I'm selecting empty activity. Let me show you again. It's very simple. New, new project. Sorry, new, new project, empty activity. I'm selecting next. I'm mentioning the app name as Vedika. Okay. And as I said before, it is a unique name, so we have to make sure that no app name is Vedika. So of course, no app is named Vedika. So I'm mentioning Vedika. So the language will be Java. It will work on the minimum version. Okay, minimum API. So most of the except Android 11 and most of the Android 10 it will work. Okay, except Android 11, every mobile it will work. Okay,
Yeah.
simply I'm selecting finish. That's it. Nothing. Okay, so I'll
Yeah.
close this. Let's wait for a while and I'll close this. Okay, yeah, I'm closing this. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, even your thing is completed. Just give me a minute. Even yours is completed. Just let's check whether it is connected or not. Have you connected your mobile? No, 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 don't do anything. Have you connected your mobile?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it connected?
Yes.
Okay. Are you in developer option now?
Yeah.
No, if it is the case, sure it will work. I mean, I'm very sure
Okay.
it will show your device. I think you are not in developer option. So let me tell you again that. Okay, let's complete the coding part and I'll teach you again. Okay. So initially,
Yeah.
you please observe my screen and please note it down in your diary. And after that, we can do it in your. I mean, you do it in your laptop. I'll be monitoring you. If you do any mistakes, I'll be helping you. Got it? As
Yeah.
simple as that. Chill. So right now, as we discussed, the first task is where was sticky notes? Here it is. So we have created a new project named Vedika, and right now we are in XML design. We have to change the background. Uh, Let me delete this. By default, hello world will be there. I'm deleting this. I'm going to change the background. Okay, you have to enter
Yeah.
background. Okay, after entering the background, the pen like icon will be there. You go there and select some colors. Yeah, that's it. So I have changed the background. The second thing is I'm going to mention the text view. I have to drag and pull out the text view. Okay. So or
Yeah.
you remember this. So what is this circle thing? What I am doing? It's
Dragging it
nothing.
in center.
Yeah, no, it's because it is a constraint layout. So we are giving a constraint. So in every mobile, it shows the same. Okay.
Yeah.
It won't break the app size. Okay.
Yeah.
So inside this text, I'm going to name something. Okay. Uh, ID will be like who. Okay.
Hmm.
ID will be who. So it is asking whether you really want to change the ID. You please enter refactor. Refactor is nothing but rename. Okay. And again,
Yeah.
I'm entering to text. Text is nothing but inside the text view, there is a text, right? What is the text name? Can you see this?
Yeah.
It is text view. So I'm going to text view. Who are you? Okay, very simple. Got it.
Yeah.
So the question is here. Let me put it in capital letter for everything. And I'm going to the font is not good, right? Can you see this?
Yeah.
Font is so simple and the size is
Hmm.
so simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the text size. So it's very simple. If you enter text size, so the text size will be there. Usually for text size, SP will be there. Okay. Let me
Uh,
change the text size as 24 SP. Okay. Or 24 is fine.
how about the
Okay.
photo?
Yeah. I'm going to change the color. So text color is black now. I'm going to change it
Yeah.
as which color you want. Can I change it as white?
Yeah, sure.
So I have changed it. So now the only thing is it is in corner where it is not good. So we have to change the text style, I mean text gravity. So what I'm going to do is center. If I enter CEN, the gravity will be there. You go here and select center. That's it. As simple as that. Okay.
Yeah.
So the only point what we have to do is font. We have to change the font where font is not good, right?
Yeah.
See here only the normal font is there. Sans serif is
Mm.
there where it is not good. So what I'm going to do is again I'm selecting this. I'm going to add a new font. For this, a small icon is there. Can you see this? I mean,
Yeah.
can you see this? You have to select this and see here the add option is there. Can you see this?
Yeah.
I'm selecting this. And
Okay.
more font is there, right?
Hmm.
I'm selecting this. So all the fonts will be here. Whatever you want, you can select it. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm simply using some other font. I hope it's fine for you. Okay.
Yeah.
It's fine, right? Okay, chill. So
Yeah.
what I'm going to do is again I'm going to create a button. It's very simple. I'm going to create a button. I'm dragging here and I'm pasting it. Okay. See here the beauty starts. See, right now we are assigned a constraint layout for three sides. One is for upper side, one is for left, and one is for right. You are not assigned for lower thing. Okay, down arrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign it here. Okay. Let
Yeah.
me see. I'm assigning the button in the text view. So if I want to move some, see, for an example, if I want to move this, eventually the button will move. Can you see this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, eventually we can have some Luti. Okay, Luti will be complicated for you now. Simply, I'm going to ask question. Okay. With the question,
Yeah.
you'll get an answer. If I select this button, you'll get an answer. So what I'm going to do is, again, I'm assigning a constraint for the button. Okay.
Yeah.
So the button, we have to change the button color, right? It's because both the colors are same, right? So it's very simple. Again, a
Hmm.
background. If I select the background, again, the background color will be here. Instead of blue, I'll select some other color. Okay. Which color you want? Any color is fine, right? Which color you want?
Add
You better tell me.
red.
Red. This one or this one? I mean, both the same. I mean, I don't know which is red. Either this one or this one. It is like an orange color, and this is like a pink color. I think so. Which one? This one or this one? Let me zoom for you. Just give me a minute. Let me show you again. Please check. This one is fine, right? Or this one?
Yeah.
This one?
Anyone is fine.
Anyone is fine.
Sure.
Uh, again, I'm going to change the ID. So you don't know what is ID, right? You don't know what is ID, right? I'll tell you what is ID later. Okay.
Mm.
So simply, I'm mentioning it as answer is not good. Name. Okay. And I'm going
Yeah.
to change the button name. Okay. So for that, again, I'm going to text. So again, I'm going to change the button name as answer. Yeah, answer. Okay, very simple. That's it.
Yeah.
And again, we'll change the font for the button text. Yeah, that's it. So the only task, so the UI is totally completed. Okay, it's totally a simple UI. Okay, what we have done is we have changed the background. We have pulled a text view and we changed the ID, and eventually we have pulled a button and we changed the ID and we changed the background of everything. Okay, so now what we have to do is
Yeah.
if I select this button, it has to show the answer. Very simple. Clear.
Yeah.
Someone is asking who are you? If I select this button, it shows the answer. Very simple. Got it?
Yeah.
Let's see how it works. So as of now, are you clear or do you have any doubts?
I'm clear.
Sure.
Can you again do that? But still.
Great. Great, great, great. See, it's very simple. See, I am selecting here. Let me clear all the things. I mean, see, okay. Uh, okay, I'll delete all the things.
Mm.
Okay. So first and foremost, okay, it is not deleting things. I mean, yeah, I'm undoing everything. See, first and foremost, this will be the screen. Okay, everything is clear.
Yeah.
Again, I'm okay. For changing the
Yeah.
background, you have to go to the search option. You have to select here.
Yeah.
You have to enter BACK background. Okay, background will be here. Okay, you have to select here and you can change
Yeah.
whatever color you want. Okay, then change the
Yeah.
background. You want the same background or a different background is fine for you.
It's fine. Anyone.
Again, I'm just going to drag a text view and I'm going to put here. Okay, very simple. So initially what we are going to do is, see, it's very simple. Again, I'll repeat it. It's like dragging an option. So you have to select the left arrow, you have to drag the mouse and you have to place
Yeah.
it here. Okay, very simple. Okay, see, again, I'll repeat why we are doing this. This circle thing we are dragging and putting in the every edges of the screen, right? It's because
Mm.
it is called a constraint layout. Let me repeat, it is called a constraint layout. For an example, see, my mobile size is 5.5 inches. So your mobile
Yeah.
might be 6 inches. Okay. So in
Yeah.
every mobile, the app shows the same. It won't damage the application. Okay. It won't
Yeah.
change the
Yeah.
different font size to every mobile. It shows the same font size for every mobile. Got it? That is the reason we are
Yeah.
showing we are declaring a constraint layout. Clear?
Yeah.
As of now, it is clear, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So again, I'm dragging in every edge except the down arrow. It's because we have to drag a button. That is the reason we are not doing that. Okay. Simply I've done that. See, if I
Okay.
clear those things, it will show everything. See, start is nothing but a left part, and end is nothing but a right part, and top of parent is nothing but this one. Okay. If
Yeah.
if I if I select here, it will come. Let me show you. Again, I'm selecting here. See, now the bottom is coming. Now even the
Yeah.
bottom sign is coming. So I'm selecting
Yeah.
this and I'm deleting it. Okay.
Hmm.
I'm minimizing this thing and I'm going to drag a text view and I'm going to increase the size. See, right now, a text view is there, but we have to change the font size, we have to change the ID. I'll tell you what is ID. Okay. See,
Yeah.
we know you are a Vedika. Okay.
Yeah.
But we don't know who Vedika is. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we have to find who is Vedika. So ID is nothing but your identity.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's see, now the text view is a question. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm mentioning ID as a question. Okay. It
Yeah.
is asking whether you want to change the change the ID. Yes, I really want to change the ID. So I'm selecting this refraction. Okay.
Yeah.
So now what we have to do is we have to go to text. Text is nothing but inside the box, the text view is there, right? The same option will be there. If you want to change the inside text, oops.
Hello.
Can you hear me now? Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank God. I'm really sorry about that.
Mhm.
So my voice is clear, right?
Yeah.
Thank God. I'm really sorry about that. Let me teach you again. See, now we have to change the text view. Okay. So what I'm going to do is
Yeah.
simply I'm going here. I'm changing the text as who are you? Okay. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. Very simple. So now the words are changed, but the color is not changed. The text color is not changed, and the font is not changed. What I have to do is we have to increase the size first. So we have to enter text size SIZT. Okay. So now it is in
Yeah.
14 SP. So I have to increase the text size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase it as 24 SP. Okay. Or 32 SP
Yeah.
is also good. 34 is also good. Even if you want to increase more, you can increase it by entering 55 SP.
Okay.
See, it's not showing because the word is too big. So that is the reason it is not showing.
Mhm.
If I increase this thing, it will show. Can you see this? I'm just giving
Yeah.
an example. You don't want to do this. I'm just giving an example. Yeah, chill. That's it.
Yeah.
It's very simple, yeah. And what you have to do is now we have to change the text color. Okay, so what I'm going to do is text COLO, it will come. Text color will be there. Okay, so I'm going to contract it. White is better. I think, yeah, white is too better. It shows exact thing. Okay, so I have changed the color. Now I just want to change the font. Simply I'm entering font. It will shows the font. If you don't want these font, you straight away what you have to do is you have to select here. You have to go to plus. More fonts will be there. You have to select this. You can select whatever the font you like. It's totally your wish. Okay.
Yeah.
As we already selected a font, so I'm going to mention this. Okay. See, again,
Yeah.
the size is too big. That is the reason it is not showing. So it's very simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to increase. Oops. I'm going to increase this. Okay.
Yeah.
See, right now we have a problem. Can you see what is the problem? It,
In right side is different.
yeah, it is not in center. So either you can enter center or you can enter gravity. Okay. If you select here, gravity will be there. Center is good. Okay. And right now the word is in center. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to pull this up. So yeah, now it is good. Okay, it's very simple. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag a button and going to put it here. It's very simple. So I'm going to increase the button size slightly. I'm going to increase it. I'm going to paste here. Okay. Again,
Yeah.
I'm going to mention the constraint here, here, and here, and here. Okay. It is
Yeah.
almost completed. Either you can use this button or you can use any other buttons as you wish. Okay. We have number of
Yeah.
buttons which we can use it. Don't worry about that. So the same process. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the background of the button. Either as you wish. If you want to change the background, you can change it. Again, I'm going to change the background, and I'm going to mention the ID as answer. Okay,
Yeah.
answer or yeah, answer is fine. Okay, it's because this ID is question. Let me show you. This text view is question and this button view ID is answer. Okay. Now what
Yeah.
I'm going to do is I'm going to enter text, and inside the text I'm going to change it as answer. Answer will confuse you. It's better name. Oops. Name. Oh. Name. Yeah. That's
Yeah.
very simple. It has changed. If you really think the name size is, the text size is too low, you can increase the size even inside the button. You can increase the size. Okay. I think it is too low, so I'm going to increase at 16 SP. Or okay, even that is too low. I'll increase it. Yeah, here.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I
Yeah.
select this button, it shows what the student name is. Very simple. That's it. This is totally completed. Yeah. You don't want to do any other thing. Okay. Again,
Yeah.
we have to change the font size. Font family. So I'm going to select this. The name. Yeah. Now it is somewhat good. Of course, it is not
Yeah.
good, but comparatively for first class, it is better, right? So let's put
Yeah.
it in. Right now, can you see here? Some error is showing. Can you see?
Yeah.
So we have to check what the error is. Okay. So straight away, I'm selecting here. Text. Okay, got the point. It's the error is because of strings. Exactly, it is for strings. So straight away we can see. Okay, let me show you that. See, right now in strings, we don't have any values for who are you, and we don't have any values for name. Okay. So that is the
Yeah.
reason it is showing error. What we have to do is, it's kind of disturbing, right? Just give me a moment, I'll do something. We'll put it here. So again, what I'm going to do is, I'm going here, I'm fixing this bug. So who are you will be the question. Yeah. First error is sorted. And again, we are in second error. You have to select this. We have to come down. We can fix this. That doesn't mean we have to do this. The output will work. String will not be in error, but while using it straight away, sometimes it closes. It's because of the bug. Okay, so it's better we make sure that we don't have any error even in XML. Okay,
Yeah.
that's it. So what we have to do is we have to go to main activity. Java part is starting now. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
It's very easy, yeah. It's very easy, not a big complication at all. See, let me show you the plan. See, project, we have created a project, it is completed. We have created an XML design, a background is changed, text view, question, we have mentioned it, button, answer, we have mentioned it. Now we are in Java part. So in Java, we are going to do only two things: text view, button view, set account listener, toast. You don't know what those things are. Let me tell you with real-time examples. Okay.
Yeah.
So right now we have created text view, right?
Yeah.
So we have created a text view. So what is text view? What is there inside the text view? Question is there. Okay.
Yeah.